is the backhoe, and that holds 1 yard, 1 cubic yard of material in that bucket. And I'll show you how it works. Maybe you got a job, maybe you lied on an application and you gotta, I don't know, work one of these machines. So I'll show you how to do it. All right, so here we are in the machine. So, has some components like a car, all right? Step on the brake, and then you turn the key. It's gonna be loud when I turn it on, so I'll tell you a few things. So this right here, where it looks like a blinker, this is actually what goes, what helps you go forward or backward. So you press up to go forward, pull back to go backward. This is how you work the bucket. You pull it back to lift it up. Each side dumps it either way. This is your emergency brake. All right, so let me show you how it goes. Key. Put on the brake. Take off the brake. Lift up the bucket. All right. And that's to go. All right, and all right, now, middle is neutral, by the way. All right, now I'll show you the bucket. So you're gonna pull back to lift it. All right, push it to the outside. Go to the outside, that's the dump. Inside's to lift it back up. Alright? So when you're going into a pile, you want that bucket to be level. Just like that. You go in and then you tap it. Just tap, tap, tap it. So the material's in the bucket. Once you have a full bucket, you're good to go. Alright? If you aren't actually getting a full bucket, then you'll want to use the smaller one. Makes sense. So when you park, put the bucket all the way on the ground. You know, lift up a little bit, and that way the tractor's not going anywhere. Now you know how to drive a tractor, at least the backhoe.